Dehumidifiers. Now, this is something I don't even need to run. I live in such a dry climate. Let's see, right now it says 27% relative humidity in this room right here, and my grow room's in the next room over. So, really low humidity that is in where I live. But there's so many people out there that live in very humid environments. They need to run a dehumidifier. What features or specifications should growers pay attention to beyond just its daily water removal rating?
Oh, this is a fun one because I had a lot of input for the Hydron 5 and 7. I'll start from the beginning. Dehumidifiers on the market generally are compressor dehumidifiers. That's what we all grew up with because that's what the market has, and it makes sense for general home use. Compressor dehumidifiers are effectively air conditioners where the hot and cold side sort of just comes together. But what happens is that as you cool down the air, the amount of water the air can hold shrinks. So then you hit dew point rapidly quicker. And then on the cold coils, so let's imagine there's cold coils on top, hot coils on bottom. Air passes through the hot coils, it gets warm. Air passes through the cold coils, it gets cold, but the side effect is that water starts to condense on the coils because they hit dew point. And then that water is collected. This is generally how dehumidifiers work for basically everything on the market. It works great in hot environments because it's very easy to rapidly lower the temperature of hot air to hit dew point. It doesn't work in cold environments because when the air is too cold, you can't cool it down enough for it to hit dew point. Or even worse, if it's, within 60 degrees Celsius or lower, it cools the air down so much that you hit freezing point and the coils actually freeze over. So there's a problem with running it in half the scenarios. Anytime you go below room temperature, the dehumidifier doesn't work well anymore. And unfortunately, for a lot of growers, they have a humidity problem at lights out. Because the environment gets rapidly cooler, your relative humidity spikes because not only is your plants transpiring water still, but the colder air means that it can hold less of it. And then you run a dehumidifier, a compressor dehumidifier, and it's barely able to pull the humidity out because it's already cold air, and it can't get that much colder. The Hydron 5 and 7 specifically is a new technology. It's running a rotary system. The hybrid rotary system, they added some tweaks to it for PWM to make it more efficient. But what that does is it actually uses desiccants. So sort of those do not eat packets you get in beef jerky that absorbs excess air, or actually for growers, Bovita packs. That's the easiest way to describe it. Imagine Bovita packs on a wheel that's rotating, collecting humidity regardless of temperature. And then it's using heat to push that humidity out into your water storage tank. It's a really cool system because not only can it turn on and off and adjust its speed at a whim, which you can't do with a compressor engine, but it's able to do it in all environments. So it works in cold, it works in hot, and it can bring down humidity significantly lower. One of the other issues is that if you can't hit dew point with a dehumidifier, with a compressor dehumidifier, then it won't collect humidity. So there's always a pretty high limit of generally about 40% relative humidity before it just won't run anymore. We think 40% relative humidity is quite low, but in terms of BPD, if you have the full range of humidity to work with, you can actually dial it in way better. So you can then control the BPD. You can then control the humidity instead of, for example, the heat. You can make it drier so you don't have to introduce heat to your tent, which is one less device you need. So, then I'll go back to the Hydron again. Rotary system was really a breakthrough for us when we tested it, and it was something where I heavily pushed for, even though it didn't collect as much water as a compressor system when run in optimal settings, when run in optimal environment. A compressor system, when run in a warm environment, can collect water like crazy, but then it just doesn't excel in other environmental conditions. With the 5 and 7, it just works extremely consistent in all environmental conditions, which makes it more useful because half of those conditions is right when lights out, when the humidity is high and the temperatures are low.
This clip is brought to you by Stash Nutrients. Use coupon code THESTASH for a discount on your order.